Ever tried to fix your relationship, but nothing really changed? It's probably because you were using the wrong type of reset. What many couples don't know is that there are two types of relationship resets, and which one a couple needs changes everything about the approach. The first one is the reconnection reset. This is for couples who still have love, but lost connection. They got busy with responsibilities. They stopped prioritizing each other. These couples don't have major issues. They just drifted apart and need to find their way back. Here's the fix. Spend intentional time together. Plan date nights. Have deep conversations. Engage in small daily rituals that build emotional intimacy. Now for number two, the rebuild reset. This is for couples dealing with such things as broken trust, major conflict, or deep resentment. These aren't small issues. These are wounds that need real healing. The fix is learning new communication tools, processing hurt together, creating new patterns, or sometimes working through past pain before moving forward. Understanding which reset your relationship needs saves you time, frustration, and heartache. Most couples try random fixes without understanding what type of reset they actually need. That's why nothing changes in their relationship. Now, which type of reset does your relationship need right now? Comment below reconnection or rebuild. If you found value here, like, share, and subscribe. Talk soon.